Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Welcome back to WeeklyTools channel. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about: the LAUNCH CRP909E OBD2 scanner. If you're into DIY car diagnostics, this is a tool you'll definitely want to check out. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. The CRP909E is LAUNCH's latest addition to their impressive lineup of OBD2 scanners. It's packed with features designed to make your car diagnostics experience smoother and more comprehensive than ever before. Right out of the box, the CRP909E feels like a premium tool. It's well built and rugged, with a large 7-inch touchscreen that's bright and easy to read. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, even for someone who's not familiar with OBD2 scanners. Getting started is a breeze. Simply plug the scanner into your car's OBD2 port, which is usually located under the dashboard. The CRP909E supports a wide range of vehicles, so chances are it's compatible with yours. Now, let's dive into the features. One of the standout features of the CRP909E is its extensive diagnostic capabilities. Full system diagnostics read and clear trouble codes from all major vehicle systems, including the engine, transmission, ABS, and airbags. Live data view real-time data from various sensors, such as engine RPM, coolant temperature, and fuel pressure. Special functions perform a variety of service functions, such as oil light resets, brake pad resets, and throttle body calibrations. Bidirectional control test and activate various components, such as solenoids and injectors. AutoVIN automatically retrieves the vehicle identification number VIN for quick and easy diagnostics. Wi-Fi updates keep your scanner up to date with the latest software. The live data feature is particularly handy. It allows you to monitor real-time data from various sensors in your vehicle. Whether you're checking the engine temperature, RPM, or oxygen sensor readings, the CRP909E provides you with the information you need for a thorough diagnosis. Navigating through the menu is intuitive thanks to the responsive touchscreen. The user interface is well designed, making it easy for both beginners and seasoned car. I highly recommend the LAUNCH CRP909E to anyone who's looking for a powerful and versatile OBD2 scanner. It's a great option for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Let's talk about some benefits about the CRP909E. 1. Save money and time. Say goodbye to those hefty repair bills from mechanics. The CRP909E empowers you to diagnose car problems yourself, saving you both time and money. 2. Take control of your car's health. No more being in the dark about what's going on under the hood. The CRP909E gives you complete transparency into your car's health, allowing you to proactively address any issues before they turn into major problems. 3. Easy to use, even for beginners. Don't worry if you're not a car expert. The CRP909E is designed with user-friendliness in mind. Its intuitive interface and clear instructions make it easy for anyone to use, regardless of their technical experience. Multilingual support, including English, Spanish, French, and German, further enhance the user experience. 4. Stay up to date with latest technology. Unlike traditional scanners that become obsolete over time, the CRP909E gets better with age. Free software updates ensure you always have access to the latest diagnostic capabilities and vehicle compatibility. The CRP909E supports a wide range of car makes and models, making it a versatile tool for any garage. Here are some pros and cons about the LAUNCH CRP909E. Pros: user-friendly interface, wide range of features, accurate and fast, durable build quality, free Wi-Fi updates. Cons: some advanced features may be over the heads of beginner deers. In conclusion, the LAUNCH CRP909E OBD2 scanner is a powerful and user-friendly tool for anyone looking to take control of their car's diagnostics. Its extensive features, sleek design, and ease of use make it a standout choice in the world of OBD2 scanners. If you're interested in learning more or picking one up for yourself, we've included a link in the description below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this review helpful, and subscribe for more automotive content. Until next time, happy diagnosing!